So we have AI Skill Fest. You have to register. Then you have to sign in with your account. Then this portal will be open. You have to click AI Skill Fest. When you will click on it, there is number of series will be open for you, and these are the series. So you can select any playlist under these options. That are different options. You have to select one of it. Then you can click on any playlist. You can click on view detail. Then this is a playlist. You have to just start playlist. The playlist is based on two different types. One is the learning modules, which you can read, and other are the YouTubes. So when you will complete, like I have completed, the playlist complete option will be available to you. Then you have to click on it, and a form will be open for you. You have to fill this form, and Microsoft is saying that you can get a free voucher based on it. Then submit.